7 habits that turn boys into men. First, taking responsibility. Real men understand the importance of taking responsibility for their actions and decisions. They don't make excuses or blame others for their circumstances. Instead, they own up to mistakes, learn from them, and strive to do better. Second, developing self-discipline. Men cultivate self-discipline in all areas of life. They set goals, create effective routines, and stick to them. By mastering self-discipline, they resist instant gratification and make choices that align with their long-term visions. Third, seeking continuous growth. Men are committed to personal growth and lifelong learning. They actively seek new knowledge, skills, and experiences. They embrace challenges, step out of their comfort zones, and constantly push themselves to improve in all aspects of life. Fourth, cultivating emotional intelligence. Men understand the importance of emotional intelligence. They develop self-awareness, regulate their emotions, and empathize with others. They communicate effectively, handle conflicts maturely, and build strong, meaningful relationships. Fifth, showing respect. Real men treat others with respect, regardless of their background or status. They listen attentively, value different perspectives, treat everyone with dignity. They understand that respect is earned through actions, not demanded. Sixth, practicing integrity. Men uphold high moral and ethical standards. They act with honesty, honor, integrity in their personal and professional lives. They value trust and are true to their word, consistently aligning their actions with their values and principles. Seventh, embracing leadership. They take initiative, make decisions, leadership, and inspire others to reach their full potential. They lead by example, empower those around them, and contribute positively to their families, communities, workplaces. Therefore, these are the 7 habits which turn boys into men. Thank you for watching.